back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog ay tungkol sa ating Women's Month next month na. But, subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Sorry, pasensya na po. Nag-prepare na ako. Our latest vlog, PMPC's Female Recording Artist Winners. For our latest vlog, 313, your share vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin sino kaya ang pinaka most number of wins. Okay. Kasi hindi pa na-prefer ako. But, eto, Philippine Movie Press Con or PNPC Star Wars for Music nagsimula noong 2009 on their first ever Star Wars for Music. Ayan. Noong 2009 yan And, ready ka naman kung sino kaya ang artist. Ang pinakaunang nanalong Best Female Recording Artist of the Year sa ating PNBC Star Wars for Music ay si Regine Velasquez Alcacid para sa album ng Loki ng Universal Records. Eto na, we have, aside from Regine, other 6 female winners ng PNPC. Unang muna natin yung nasa isang nanalo. Let's start with Miss Julina Mandanan, 2016 Female Recording Artist of the Year para sa kantang or album ng Talk to Duck ng Star News noong 2016. Pero walang nomination, 0 nomination, 1 wins and 0 nomination. Sa album ito, nung release on 2015, including Ikaw Ba Yun at ang Chuba Chuchu and Pagpag Ako Ay Nagmahal. The second is Morissette para sa Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw from the teleserye The Broken Marriage Vow at originated by Miss Sherry Ramirez. Nanalo Female Recording Artist noong 2023 edition. And the base of 20 is of the 40 and 50 star was kasi wala pong 2023 star but nanalo siya bilang female. And of course, the song Gusto Nang Bumitaw, medyo hit na yun sa radio station. Congrats, Morissette. The next is Angelique Quinto, nanalong female recording artist of the year noong 2017 Star Wars sa kanila. In 2023 yung release yung Gusto Nang Bumitaw. Ito bi Angelique Quinto para sa album na Act of Angelique Quinto released in 2016. Included the most hit na at ang hirap. At syempre, para tayo, pero the 2017 winner sa 2016 album ni Angelique, dedicated para sa lahat ng mga fans ni Angelique. Napunta na tayo sa dalawang artist na nanalo 2 weeks. Una man natin si Icy Guerra or formerly Icy Guerra have 2 nanalo Best Female Recording Artist 2012 Songs from the Bold album ng Star Music released in 2011. Ito ay unreleased songs mula sa early years from Star Music 2007 hanggang 2011 including the Ulan Station ID ng ABS-CBN Sukup Na and the others. My Heart Will Go On, Walang Sayang, di ba? And the second, in the midst of Transman ni Icy Guerra, nanalo Female Recording Artist of the Year 2022 para sa kantang Huwag Kang Aalis. Release ito noong 2021. It is a song for mental health and depression about the inspirational and motivational song. And of course, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid, ang ating kasi dalawa po yun. Dalawang wins, tapos dalawang artist. Yan, yung guys sinabi kanina, first ever winner si Regine for Loki ng Universal Records released in 2008 para sa Tell Me That You Love Me and I Love You So. And 2020 winner for I Am Beautiful released in 2019 para sa lipstick brand ng BYS. The next is Moira De La Torre. 3 winners na yan. We have 3 winners. Si Moira ay Malaya, released in 2017 Ago, including Malaya, Takbuhan, and Titi Bogtibo na naging TV Handog winner. Kay Bogotino ang Bubuko, released 2018 for the movie The House of Cards, and 2021 winner para sa kantang Pangbaya, released in 2020. Nako, Hiwalayan Jason and Moira 2022. Nako. Yan. And the most wins for Best Female Recording Artist ng PNPCIC, Sarah Geronimo. Yay! 6 na beses nanalo. Ito, Sarah G16 Female Recording Artist. Music and Me, Viva Records, 2009 nag-release, including Right Here Waiting. Then, One Heart, 2011 winner, 2010 ang release para sa kanta Sino na ba siya at bakit? Pure Opium Classics, release 2012, Tao ang kanta. The Expression, 2030, Nanalo 2040, Ikot-Ikot, and ayun, Perfectly Imperfect, Like Kilometro, and Minamahal. 2050 winner ng PNPC. And Habang Buhay, 2024 winner ng PNPC for Female Record Artist, released in 2023 ng Viva Records and Chiba. Ito ay para sa mga animal lovers. Ayan, congratulations sa mga lahat ng winners ng PNPC noong 2009 hanggang last year. This year, sino ang kaya female artist to win ang Female Record Artist of the Year this year's PNPC Star Wars for Music 2025, also known as 17th edition? Malalaman natin coming soon. Kaya, supportan natin sa ating latest vlog. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.